Welcome back to Factful Finance, where smart money moves meet the future. Let me ask you something. If AI can write content, recommend products, and optimize funnels automatically, is traditional affiliate marketing already outdated? The truth? We're at a tipping point, and the people who understand this shift will profit. The rest? They'll get left behind. So today we're diving deep into one of the most important questions in digital finance. AI versus traditional affiliate marketing. Who wins, and how can you use this to make real money? Affiliate marketing isn't new. For decades, marketers have been driving traffic to offers using blogs, YouTube, email lists, SEO, and good old-fashioned hustle. You build an audience, promote products, and earn commissions. But here's the catch. Traditional affiliate marketing requires time, skill, and constant manual work, researching keywords, writing content, testing strategies. It's a slow burn. It works, but it demands sweat equity. Now let's bring AI into the picture. AI affiliate marketing doesn't just speed things up, it redefines the game. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and autobloggers, you can generate SEO-optimized articles in minutes. With AI-driven analytics, you can target micro-niches and high-converting keywords faster than a human ever could. AI image generators? Perfect for Pinterest and social ads. AI email copywriters? They boost click-through rates without you ever typing a sentence. And thanks to platforms like Zapier and Make, you can fully automate content syndication across TikTok, Instagram, Medium, and more. But before you jump in, let's be clear. AI isn't a replacement for strategy. It's an enhancement. Just like a scalpel is useless without a skilled surgeon, AI needs your direction. And that's where the real winners separate themselves. Let's break it down with a quick case study. Marcus, a beginner affiliate, used traditional methods: blog posts, SEO, some YouTube reviews. He spent 6 months building a small income stream, about $300 a month. Not bad, but slow growth. Then there's Anika. She used AI tools to research low-competition niches in beauty tech, generated 50 articles in one weekend using a GPT-based content engine, and automated her Pinterest pins with AI visuals and captions. She hit $1,200 month by month too. Why? Not because she worked harder, because she worked smarter. Let's explore the strengths and limitations of both. Traditional affiliate marketing wins in 3 key areas. 1. Trust building. Nothing beats a human connection. Long-form blogs, personality-driven YouTube channels, and email newsletters still build deeper loyalty. 2. Long-term SEO assets. Human-written cornerstone content tends to perform better long-term, especially with Google's E8, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness guidelines. 3. Conversion psychology. Humans know how to tell stories that resonate emotionally. AI can simulate that, but it doesn't always land. Now AI wins in 1. Speed and scale. What takes a week to do manually, AI can do in hours. 2. A/B testing. AI can rapidly test and optimize titles, calls to action, and layouts in real time. 3. Data-driven targeting. Machine learning identifies profitable audiences faster, especially with access to analytics APIs and behavior tracking. But here's the nuance you must understand. AI is not the opposite of affiliate marketing. It's an upgrade. Think of AI as the new affiliate assistant, a supercharged researcher, writer, and campaign optimizer rolled into one. So what's the most profitable approach? Hybrid affiliate marketing. That's where the real money is being made right now. You still build an audience, but AI helps you scale faster. You still create content, but AI handles the first draft. You still test offers, but AI helps predict which will convert before you waste ad spend. Let's map out a practical strategy. Step 1. Choose your niche intelligently. Use tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or AI niche detectors to identify high-potential, low-competition markets. Look for buyer intent. Don't chase fads, build on proven demand. Step 2. Set up your AI stack. You'll need ChatGPT or Claude for content creation, Midjourney or DALL-E for images and ad creatives, Notion AI or Jasper for blog automation, Zapier for workflow automation, Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer for optimization. Start simple. 1 blog, 1 platform, 1 product. Step 3. Create content at scale. Use AI to generate blog posts, FAQs, and listicles around your product. For example, top 5 fitness trackers for busy moms. Or, why this budget microphone is dominating TikTok. Add your affiliate links strategically. Don't just spam them. Offer value first. Step 4. Automate your distribution. Let AI repurpose blogs into email newsletters, Instagram carousels, and YouTube scripts. Schedule with Buffer or Metricool. Make sure your branding stays consistent. Step 5. Optimize and adapt. Use analytics to test which content converts. Use AI to rewrite underperforming pieces, reword CTAs, and sharpen headlines. Then double down on what works. One more example. Tasha, a freelance writer with no tech background, used AI to launch a pet gear affiliate site. She created 100 blog posts in 1 month, used AI-generated comparison tables, and embedded product links from Amazon, Chewy, and Petco. By month 4, she was pulling $2,700 per month in passive commissions, and she's scaling further using AI voiceovers on YouTube. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI kill traditional affiliate marketing? No, but it will expose inefficiency. The days of writing 1 blog post a week and hoping it ranks? Over. But if you combine AI's power with your human intuition, storytelling, and strategy, you'll build an unstoppable machine. This isn't about replacing yourself. It's about amplifying yourself. Here's a mindset shift. You are not competing with AI. You're partnering with it to scale faster, test smarter, and earn more. So who wins? AI or traditional affiliate marketing? The real answer? You win if you evolve. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. What part of today's strategy sparked your next big idea? Let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment and let me know how you're planning to use AI in your affiliate journey. And if you're ready to unlock even more powerful income strategies, you'll want to see what's next. Tap the video that's coming up. It could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for.